What's up guys, Matt from #CashHacks. I have a Ford Mustang GT. The AC stopped working from one day to the next. It was working, blowing cold, and then the next day it just stopped. So we took it to the shop. We already checked the compressor. The compressor's good. It has Freon, and like I said, it was from one day to the next. It wasn't a gradual thing. So this is the part that we ended up buying. It's a PCM for the air conditioning system and for a couple of other things. What we used to swap it out: Phillips head, flat head, ratchet with an extension. This is a number 5.5 millimeter, and this is a number 5. So the number 5 actually holds the PCM in place, and then this is for the plug. So let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna jack the car up. I got it on some jack stands. Pull down this fender liner. There's a screw right there. That's a Phillips. Back in here, you have a couple of tabs like that. Those tabs right there. One over there, and then there was one back in there. Pull those off. Pull this down, and the PCM module is right there. So the screws, there's going to be one screw right here, and then one in the corner back here. And then once you get those off, the plug itself is held in with that 5 I showed you guys earlier. So we already went ahead, swapped it out. That's the new one right there. It's working. This is the old one that stopped working. And now you guys know, after you check your compressor and you check the Freon, and if it was something that stopped from one day to the next, that's most likely what it is. If you need any of these tools or the module, check out the link in the description below. I'll get everything that you guys need to do this job quick and easy. For more helpful videos on how to save money fixing your car, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow a real one. Let's go.